Welcome, my fellow crypto enthusiasts, to a riveting exploration of the NFT underworld. Today, we are unmasking the dark side of NFTs, delving into scandalous tales that have left the Web3 community gasping for breath. Hold on tight, my friends, as we embark on an adrenaline-pumping journey filled with jaw-dropping controversies that will leave you questioning the very fabric of the metaverse. Get ready for a wild ride like no other. Let's start with the Otherside Mint disaster. Gather round, folks, for the tale of the Otherside Mint, a legendary event that promised untold riches and glory. Thousands of eager NFT enthusiasts with bulging wallets gathered, dreaming of their digital fortunes. But oh, the universe had other plans. Gas fees soared to unimaginable heights, and a staggering $150 million worth of ETH vanished into thin air, as if vaporized by an ancient crypto spell. And who did Otherside blame for this epic fail? You guessed it, none other than Ethereum itself. Bravo, Otherside, for the art of finger-pointing. Another story comes from the Zagabond. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the tale of Azuki Zagabond, the enigmatic creator of funks, tendies, and zunks. A prodigious genius, or so we thought. But the plot thickens, my friends. Zagabond profited a whopping $3 million across 3 projects, only to vanish into the shadows like a crypto Houdini. Abandoned projects, multiple identities, and a refusal to hand over socials and contracts, truly a masterclass in disappearing acts. But fear not, for Zagabond had a solution, a grand declaration to transfer ownership and redistribute funds to the communities. Oh, the kindness. Sadly, the market wasn't convinced, and the Azuki floor plummeted faster than a blockchain transaction confirmation. Let's continue our video with the Doodles debacle. Ah, Doodles, the silent builders who managed to keep the world on edge with their mysterious aura. Expectations soared to the moon as the community eagerly awaited their next groundbreaking announcement. But wait for it. What did Doodles unveil? Brace yourselves, my friends, for the revelation of the century. Digital socks. Yes, you heard it right. The anticipation built to a crescendo, only to be deflated by the most mundane of creations. The FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt wave washed over NFT Twitter like a tidal wave of disappointment. And let's not forget Poopy, the Doodles founder, who, in a stroke of comedic brilliance, proclaimed that Doodles was no longer an NFT project. Bravo, Poopy, for revealing your grand plan of becoming a leading media franchise after a 2-month silence. Your PR skills are truly out of this decentralized world. Let's move to Moonbirds and the CC0 catastrophe. Picture this, my dear viewers, Moonbirds, a soaring phenomenon in the NFT galaxy. The birds flew high, their floor price reaching the heavens, a testament to their allure. But alas, the founder, Kevin Rose, took a leap into the abyss. In a bold move, Moonbirds transitioned to CC0, granting commercial rights to anyone and everyone. Now you may be wondering, what on earth is CC0? Allow me to shed some light, my friends. CC0 stands for Creative Commons Zero, a license that enables the public to use, modify, and even profit from a creative work without asking for permission. In simple terms, it means that anyone, from your friendly neighborhood artist to a multinational corporation, can now freely use the Moonbirds art for their own commercial purposes. It's like opening the floodgates of creativity and unleashing a frenzy of possibilities. But here's the twist, dear viewers. Imagine being a proud Moonbirds holder, reveling in the exclusivity and commercial rights that came with your investment. And suddenly, Kevin Rose made this irreversible decision without consulting the very community that had supported Moonbirds from the beginning. Exclusive rights vanished, leaving holders feeling like a flock of birds without wings, grounded in disappointment. Shouldn't Kevin have communicated with his loyal flock before making such a drastic shift? It seems that in the world of NFTs, surprises come in all shapes and sizes. So, my friends, let this be a cautionary tale of the importance of transparency and community engagement in the ever-evolving landscape of digital art and NFTs. And finally, let's move to the RTFKT shoeshocker story. Brace yourselves, dear viewers, for we are about to enter the realm of RTFKT and their most infamous scandal, the MNLTH2 drop. Imagine this. You invest a small fortune, eagerly anticipating the grand rewards that await. And what do you receive in return? Hold on to your seats, my friends, for it's the opportunity of a lifetime. The chance to buy a pair of shoes worth a mere $580 to $1,333. Oh, the sheer magnificence. But here's the kicker. Only if you're a resident of the United States. Non-US holders, take a moment to revel in the privilege of watching from afar as your dreams of shoe ownership crumble like a poorly written smart contract. Thank you, RTFKT, for the ultimate masterclass in teasing the masses with exclusive footwear. It was so bad that the floor price of MNLTH2 dropped 80% in just 3 hours. And there you have it, my fellow adventurers, a glimpse into the treacherous side of NFTs. These controversies have rocked the Web3 world and left us astounded. From vanished fortunes to lackluster announcements, shattered dreams of exclusive rights, and tantalizing shoes for an elite few, the NFT universe never ceases to amaze. So, my friends, as you journey deeper into the cryptoverse, remember to stay vigilant and brace yourself for the unexpected. Until our paths cross again, keep that sarcasm sharp, stay curious, and may your NFT ventures be filled with thrills, minus the scandals. Before we part ways, my fellow adventurers, I have one final request for you. If you've enjoyed this wild journey through the dark side of NFTs, filled with sarcasm and surprises, then I implore you to hit that magical subscribe button. See you next time.